up in the house representing Road Dogs TV here at No Regrets. You dig what I'm saying?
For the streets,
all the
Road Dogs TV.
All the motherfucking time. You dig what I'm saying? Come down here and purchase some of these art pieces, support your local artists and all that good shit. And I'm right here representing this new episode I'm going to be on, right on Road Dogs TV. You dig what I'm saying? Support your local artists from the streets, from the hood, the whole motherfucking 9 yards. You dig what I'm saying? Hey, I'll see you around. Later.
Keeping it real, from the streets for the streets. Road Dogs TV.